Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to remove a user from a group using gpasswd command. So here, the user is Walid, and to check its group, we can use this command, groups, then the name of your user, which is Walid here. Press enter, and here you can see the groups of user Walid, and I will remove Walid from this group, and the name of this group is my group. First type sudo, then gpasswd command, use option T. Finally, the name of your user, which is Walid, and the name of the group. Press enter. Okay, you should see something like that. Again, let's check the group of user Walid. See, it is successfully removed from group my, and there is no group named my group here.